Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So if you are following us, I told yesterday itself markets are going to be super volatile, and honestly speaking weekly options are not working anymore, right? That's what we told yesterday. And for your information, I'll tell you, even big traders, I don't want to name them, big traders are avoiding trading and they are not trading at all. So this is a scenario. At least me, I'm having some options, but big traders, big influencers, they are not trading at all. So that is the kind of volatility we are experiencing. Short straddle, tomorrow's expiry short straddle is not even having a combined premium of 150 rupees. That is how the markets are. I hope you understand what I am trying to say, right? So straddle, at least tomorrow's expiry, at least the straddle should have 250 points, or we have seen where premiums were really good, and we had a straddle to sell for around 250-300 rupees, but now even 150 rupees, 175 rupees we are not able to see. This is the current scenario, and I'm sure you must be aware what is happening. Many traders, I'm saying again, many traders are not trading the market. Volatility is super high. We really don't know what is the thing behind this, and people are facing, especially option sellers are facing the heat today. Right? So today was a Finnifty expiry, and you know what happened to Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty alone, I can tell you, Bank Nifty alone moved more than around 700-800 points in one trading session. High was around 42,350, low was around 41,800. Then it settled somewhere around 42,250. 700-800 points move in Bank Nifty. And Nifty alone, and Nifty also moved. In fact, Nifty performed today really well. We really don't know yesterday why they took the Nifty down, and why they are taking it today up. We really don't know. All these days, if you see the institutional figures, all these days FIIs were net sellers, but today was a day where they have bought for around I think 200 or 300 crores. FIIs have bought for around 211 crores. So whether we like it or not, we will have to live with this. We thought 2022 was worst. 2023 is much worse. So what is the solution? I will tell you, you can go for long-term options, my friend. If you want to avoid these noises, what you are experiencing, gamma effect, of course you will have a huge gamma effect in weekly options. So if you have to avoid this, you have to go for long-term option. We did a long-term. I stopped trading in weekly options. It is pathetic. You are not getting premium. Plus on top of that, market is moving as if it is India VIX is around 20 or 25 levels. Then how do you expect to make adjustment? Adjustments will not work in this market. You will have to have surplus cash for making adjustment in this kind of market. You have to, if the market is moving, you have to have good premiums. Premiums are not there, and I'll show you some these numbers, like what we did in actually we posted this trades in our Telegram group also. We have a very vibrant Telegram group. There are good a lot of intellectuals who discuss about option trading, stock market, and much more, particularly about options. So if you want, you can join, for which the link is on the description below. Now this is the trade which we have taken, Iron Condor February series, February expiry Iron Condor. We did this around day before yesterday, and today it is in a profit of around 7.63, that is 1.3%, right? Break even is between 44,214 and 40,286. Now why am I saying this option, long-term option, is if you calculate on a close to close basis, let's say for last 10 or 15 days, market hasn't moved anywhere at all. Whether it is Nifty or Bank Nifty, I can show the chart also. It is not moved anywhere. Even if it moves, we can make some kind of adjustment or do something else to change things and make in favor of us. Now what happens is, when you trade in long-term options, at least you are having premium, right? You can do something, and there is a lot of time. So time is in favor of us. Now what is happening here is it's like it's like a contra view. What is happening now is we are running out of time. When we are running out of time, that should favor option sellers, but it is not favoring option sellers. Why? Because we are not getting premium in options, weekly options. That is the problem, right? Option selling, for option seller, time is the edge, right? Time is a theta decay is the edge. But what is happening here is, since premiums are not getting, time is that time edge is not working in favor of us. That is the only problem we are facing. So this is the iron condor which we took in Bank Nifty. Until now it has given a profit of around 1.3%. Total required capital is 6.45%. Not only that, I'll show some other trades also. March expiry 6 lots we took around 1 week back. Till now it has given a return of around 4.6%. It is 27,495 rupees. And not only that, June expiry, we took a trade on June expiry which is in a profit of around 12,900 rupees. So long term option alone is in a profit of around how much? Maybe around 94k, 95k. So that's why I'm saying, and all these options I haven't done anything, I haven't touched at all, right? This is the advantages of long term options. So what I will suggest is go for long term option. Don't try to trade in weekly options. It will backfire you. Instead of trading in weekly option, what I suggest is you buy some Netflix or Hotstar or some other subscription. At least you can benefit from that. Instead of wasting your money in weekly option, you can go and subscribe Netflix, Hotstar or some other subscription, OTT subscription, and you can enjoy the time, right? And honestly speaking, I'm a full-time trader, and I have taken many risks in my life. I left my career. I quit my job when my career was at the top. Then coming here, trading, making money in trading, we have come so far. Still, see, I'm not getting this thing. What is that? Confidence, right? Because if the market moves like this, how do you expect to make money in this kind of market, right? That is the problem with option selling, right? That is the thing with full-time trader, asset trader. If you say even my family members don't know what I'm doing. If I tell them I'm a trader, or if I tell some of my relatives if I'm a trader, they will ask, what is trading? What is this? What is Nifty? What is Sensex? What is Bank Nifty? Nobody knows anything about stock market, right? Anyway, we'll talk about that in another video. For now, what I suggest is don't try to trade in weekly options. We have 2 more days left, Wednesday and Thursday. I hope Bank Nifty will expire Nifty will expire between 18,100 to 17,800 levels, and Bank Nifty at the same time will expire somewhere between 42,500 to around 41,700 levels. So this is the range, and in between markets are going to be very violent. I'll show you this daily chart of Bank Nifty. So if you see this, you will get an idea of how the market is swinging. Look at this. Now we are in January. Since December, even if you calculate from November till now, it has not moved anywhere. In between, it has gone to around 43,800 and it has come to around 41,600. At the same time, if you see Nifty 50, it has from November series, it has gone to 18,800 and low is 17,700. It has not moved anywhere at all. So this is the kind of market we are experiencing. So go for long-term options and don't try to burn your hand trading weekly options. And when it comes to our Quantman algo, Quant is in a net loss of around 15,643 rupees. That is because markets are volatile. and no algo is working, right? So let's see how things pan out. I'll finish this video here. I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.